What's up, guys? It is your boy Cordell coming back with another video, and today we're gonna be talking about spoke skins and my bike. I'm trying to wheelie on, and I really can't wheelie. Who cares? I'm gonna be showing you how to get them on the spokes like this. So cheap people like me do it this way, but you could really just go to a shop and they'll just like put it all the way through or whatever. I don't know, which is really max to me, but who cares? I really like it this way because it looks better. But you're gonna end up with a lot of spokes in your pocket if you're gonna keep them. Like I got like a lot in my pocket. Like it's unbelievable. I'm gonna keep those, these little pieces just in case I'm gonna like wrap them all the way through or whatever. So we're gonna go step by step. First, spoke of choice. Well, spoke skin of choice. Step 2, choose the spoke. Step 3, take your scissors. Look for the little line. And just slide it right in there. And then kind of do this like 2 or 3 times, so it like stretches out. And then go from there. I will have like a friend help you, and while you just spreading them out, put the spoke skins on, have like another pair of scissors while your friend just stretch the rest out, and you can just slide it right onto the spoke skin. It's a lot easier. So the scissors is not only for this. You need to cut them so they can all fit, because the spoke skins wrap like this. So when you put the spoke skin on, it's not able to wrap because like your spokes are like too tight or whatever. So spoke of choice. Wrap it on there. And then you kind of leave it like that. And then do all of them and then just cut them off at the end. But yeah, now I'm about to do time lapse. So now that I'm done with all of the spoke skins, the aftermath is crazy. I mean, you can keep the rest of the straws to maybe just like try and fill it in all the way. But yeah, I kind of just like it this way. It looks cool. So yeah, it's the end of the video, and see you on the next one.